52. In Matthew chapter 25, we read the parable of the 10 virgins. All 10 women knew they needed to keep oil in their lamps, but only 5 of them were wise enough to stay prepared for the right moment. This parable represents the church today. Most of us in the church, we don't need any new instructions, any new direction. We've been given orders to follow, and the only question is, will you stay prepared for when that moment comes? Wisdom respects preparation. Be in the position of the wise virgins who maintain oil in their lamp. Make sure you're not caught off guard. Group 52, search your heart. Remember all the instructions you were given to be prepared for a time such as now. God bless you. Don't get caught off guard and have the best week of your life.